All right, Scott, here we go. It's been about 2 weeks since we had you on the body track, and we can already see that your lateral trace is very evident. If you look at the yellow line, how it's going from your right foot to your left foot before you're out on your toes quite a bit last time. So good work there, and that's probably why you're hitting the ball a little bit further. Okay, so that's awesome. So what we noticed, though, still is we need a better relationship between left and right. Okay, so when you're in your setup position here, this is the first couple swings this morning, and you've got 40% of your weight out on your left foot. You can see that 40, 60% on your right. We want to swap those, just switch those over, and just put a little bit more on your left. So if we can even go 55, 45, okay, we're gonna do better. All right, so here's what happens when you have too much on your right. As you start to load back, you can actually see the little COP ball there, that little white dot, kind of moves into the actual right foot. You know, we want to make sure that we keep that weight inside of that right foot without it getting into the foot at all, because that's the commencement of a slide. Okay, the number is really good. 87% on your right is awesome. Okay, but if we can tighten that up just a little bit, you'll have a better. And like you said, you're going to be over the ball a little bit more, and you're going to be able to compress it and not hang back and get under the plane line. Okay, so watch what happens from that address position as you start to come down and how it affects impact. As you get down into here, and you can see impact. We have 45% of your weight on your left foot at impact, your lead foot, 55 on your back foot. Now we're looking to achieve around 80 to 85% on your lead foot at impact. Okay, so that's not enough. There's definitely a hang back there. You have more weight on your right than your left. The face could close, the face could square, or the face could stay open. Right? You get a little bit of, and all of the above. All right. So then what we did was, the next couple swings, we went over here to the right. Now we've got you 52-48 starting. Okay, so you got more weight on your left as opposed to the 40%. So as we go back, I mean, without even talking about the technical positions of the golf swing, you load, and now you load 78% of your weight into your right foot, and now you can see the COP dot is inside of your right foot, which means you're over the ball a little bit more. Now with that type of load, now you can explode exactly how you were doing it, but your pressure should change. So like you said, you're going to be over the ball more. So as you start down, you can see the shaft of the golf club. Actually, I've known you a long time. That shaft of that golf club is much more above than it normally is. Okay, and as you go down, there's the shaft kind of getting under just a little bit. But as you can see here, we've just gone from 45% at impact to 85% at impact, and you can see it's indicated by the red pressure in the left foot. That's what you're going to see on tour. That's what we're gonna need to do in order for you not to stop hooking the ball and just getting a random array of shots. Okay, so you need to start this whole next 2 weeks. I know you're going up to Pebble to play, and all you think about is putting a little more weight on your left foot at address, and that's it. No technical swing thought. Just have a good time and just let it rip. And if we can get you here, you're going to stop hitting those crazy shots. There you go, and a good finish.